Good morning, dear students. You all are welcome in a new video of Learning Digitally. Today we will start our next chapter, that is chapter number 4. The name of the chapter is Angles and Pairs of Angles. We will see the introduction of the chapter and then we will solve practice set 15, first practice set of that chapter. So, as the name of the chapter is Angles and Pairs of Angles, first of all, let's recall what is angle. You can see one image and the name of the angle is angle ABC. We have learnt about angle in our previous standards. So let us see. Write the name of the angle shown alongside. So you can see the name of the angle starting from A is angle ABC. You can write the angle name from C also. So it will be CBA. As B angle is made on B, so B should be in the middle. The letter B should be in the middle. So this is the name of the angle in 3 letters. We can also write the name of the angle in 1 letter. As angle is made on angle B, we can write angle B. So name of the angle can be written by these 3 methods. Question number 2 is write the name of its vertex. Means vertex is a point where angle is made. The angle is made on point B. Write the name of its arm. As you know that angle is made up of 2 arms. So here the name of 2 arm is BA and BC. BA and BC comes together to make one angle. So the BA is ray BA and BC is ray BC. Fourth one is write the name of the point mark on its arm. So you can see there are 3 points which is marked on its point. It's point A, B and C. So the first topic which we will be learning here is about interior and exterior of an angle. Interior means the internal inner region and exterior means outer region of an angle. Here you can see angle PQR. In an interior region, some points are made. That points are N, M, T, O. And similarly, in outer region, some points have been plotted. That points are G, D, S, E. So these are the 2 regions of an angle, interior and exterior. Now next topic is about adjacent angles. First of all, what does word adjacent means? Adjacent means anything which is neighbor to us. So what is about adjacent angles here? Can you see this angle? The name of the angle is BMD. In BMD, one ray is made. The name of the ray is MQ. What MQ is doing now? Making 2 separate angles in angle BMD. One angle is BMQ. I have marked with red. And another angle is DMQ. I have marked it with yellow color. So can you see angle BMQ and DMQ have a separate region inside the angle? Both the angles share a same arm. The name of that arm is MQ. So this kind of angle is known as adjacent angle, where they share same arm and have a separate interior. The interior of angle BMQ and angle DMQ are separate. One interior I have shown with red and one interior region I have shown with yellow to make you understand that adjacent angles have a different and separate interiors. So I hope you understood the introduction of interior and exterior of an angle. So let us move and solve practice set 15. Your first question of practice set 15 is observe the figure and complete the table for angle AWB. You will see there is an angle made in first question. The name of the angle is AWB and one table has been made. By seeing the figure, you have to fill the table. Points in the interior. You have to see the point which are made in the interior region of the angle is N, R, C, X. So there are 4 points which is formed in the interior region. So they are points N, R, C, X. Your second question is here, points in the exterior. So the point which are made outside the angle are T, U, Q, V, Y. You will see all the 5 points are made outside the angle. So point T, U, Q, V, Y is a point in the exterior. Last question is point on the arms of the angle. So the point which is made on the arms of the angles are A, you can see the yellow highlighting, W, then G, and then B. So there are 4 points, point A, W, G and B. So this way you can see the point in interior, exterior and arms of the angle. Okay, so let us see the question number 2. I'll read out the question. Name the pairs of adjacent angles in the figure below. So we will see what are the figure given in the question. These are the 2 figures which is given in the question. Your question is to write the pairs of adjacent angle in the figure below. We have to write the name of angles which are adjacent. So let us see one by one. We will see in the first figure. You can see 3 angles has been shown. First angle is shown by red marking. The name of the angle is BNA. Second angle shown by green marking. It is known as ANC. Angle name is ANC. And third one is shown by purple marking. And the angle name is BNC. So you will see in this figure all the 3 angles are adjacent to each other. I'll read the name of the angle by color. Red is adjacent to green because they are sharing a same arm and the name of the arm is AN. Then again red is adjacent to purple, sharing a same arm BN. And purple is adjacent to green, sharing a same arm NC. So all the 3 angles are adjacent to each other. So now let us write the name one by one. 3 pairs are there. The pair of adjacent angles are, you can see I have shown 2 pair, one with red and one with green. The name of red is angle BNA and name of green is angle ANC. So angle BNA and angle ANC are adjacent angle, have separate interiors and sharing a same arm AN. Then next one we will write green and purple one. The name of purple is BNC and name of green is ANC. So you can see they both are adjacent, sharing a same arm NC. So angle ANC and angle BNC are adjacent angles. Last one I have shown here with red and purple color marking. The name of red color angle is ANB and the name of this purple color angle is BNC. So angle BNC and angle BNA are the pair of adjacent angles. So this way you are going to write about the adjacent angle. Now coming to the second figure in the same question, you can see the figure clearly. In this only 2 adjacent pairs are there. 1 adjacent pairs are there. First one is PQR shown by green marking and second one is PQT shown by the red marking. Rest no other angle is here is adjacent. So we'll write the pair of adjacent angles are angle PQT and angle PQR. You can go through the question, answer 1. Now let us see the last question of this practice set, question number 3. Are the following pairs adjacent angle? If not, state the reason. Which means here one figure is been given. You have to write down which pair of the angle given in the question is adjacent. There are 4 angles pair given in the question. From these 4 angle pairs you have to decide which one is adjacent and which one not. So we'll go one by one. Your first one is, the name of the first pair is here angle PMQ. Can you see the red marking on the diagram? Yes, so that is angle PMQ and RMQ and RMQ. So they are adjacent. The reason is they are sharing a same arm known as MQ, and they have separate interiors, which means their interiors are not overlapping to each other. So for this reason they are adjacent angle. Angle PMQ and angle RMQ are adjacent angles. I hope you understood. Now, second one, angle RMQ. Can you see green color marking for angle RMQ? Yes. And angle SMR. So, red color marking is for angle SMR. You can see they are not sharing a same arm. Neither their interiors are separate. It is overlapping. For this reason, they are not adjacent angles. We have to write reason why they are not adjacent angle. So reason is their interiors are not separate. They have same overlapping interior. For this reason, this pair are not adjacent. Coming to the third pairs, RMS. So we'll see where RMS is, and RMT. Again, the condition is same. Your angles are overlapping to each other. For that reason, it is not adjacent angle. RMS and RMT are not adjacent angles. Reason is their interiors are not separate because it is overlapping. Now last pair, angle SMT and angle RMS. So SMT I have shown with the red marking, and RMS I have shown with the green marking. You can see both the angles are not overlapping to each other. They have a separate interior and they are sharing a same arm known as MS. So for that reason, this pair is adjacent angle. Angle SMT and angle RMS are adjacent angles. So today we have learned about interior and exterior of an angle, and we have learned about what are the adjacent angle. So let's have a quick revision. Adjacent angle are the angle whose interiors are separate. They do not overlap and they have same arm. So this kind of pair are known as adjacent angle pair. Now I request you all to write practice set 15 after completing chapter number 3 in your Maths notebook. Thank you.